Of course I put you on camera right as you're eating, right? Say what you gotta say!
I can't!
The people want to know!
It's delicious.
Siempre pasa por mi mente el tenerte aquí presente. Y yo que a veces me pregunto por qué tú entre tanta gente. No quiero sonar grosero. Si es que
Oh, it's clear though. Oh, it's not cold. I mean, it's cold, but it's not cold like the other lakes.
We're just not gonna call this cold.
De volverte a recordar la primera candidata que en mi lista enamorar.
Right, so they're one of the last Great Lakes to go swimming in. Huh? This is definitely not as cold as the other ones.
¿Quién vendrá a pintar mi vida de colores? ¿Quién hará de mis días tiempos mejores?
I can't see what's down there.
No me escribe la mirada. Dicen los cuentos que soñar no cuesta nada. ¿Y quién será quien me derrita con su cuerpo? ¿Quién será con quien me pierde en lo perverso? ¿Quién escuchará estos versos para comenzar con un buen beso? Será difícil encontrar.
So we just left Tiki Campground, leaving Mackinac. Mackinac was nice, Mackinac did not disappoint. It was everything we hoped it was going to be. And we're heading up to way up into the Upper Peninsula today. I mean,
Finally,
deep in the UP.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go camp up on Lake Superior side, right?
Y es que tengo muchas ganas de volverte a recordar la primera candidata que en mi lista.
Pulling into Baraga State Park. We're gonna get the camper set up real quick and start cooking dinner.
What are you making? El rico lomo saltado.
El rico lomo saltado. Adriana va a preparar, yo estoy acá ayudando.
¿Qué haces, gordita?
Estoy aderezando la carne porque ya probé y le faltaba.
¿Sabor?
¡A comer! Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica.
Hey, what are we eating tonight?
Lomo saltado. Delicious.
Your favorite. From Peru. Of course I put you on camera right as you're eating, right? So everyone got up early this morning and the crew decided to go see a local waterfall. I stayed behind to edit some video, but we've got a lead on some kayaks to see if we can go kayaking in Lake Superior.
Sabrina, please don't hurt yourself.
Nicolás, mira Nicolás.
you know to do it. Come back.
All right, so change of plans. We're not going kayaking because the kayaking place is a little over 2 hours away. Michigan's really big. It's funny, it's only like 1.5 inches on the map, but apparently it's on the other side of the state. So we're just gonna go to the beach. All right, so they're one of the last Great Lakes to go swimming in. It's definitely not as cold as the other ones. This is easy. Piece of cake. Apparently, except for the kids, I'm the only adult that's brave enough to come out here in the water. It's really not that cold. It's really the warmest of all the lakes we've been in. It's like a cold swimming pool. You can get used to it pretty easily. You get a little shock when you jump in, but the water is so clear. You have an amazing view under the water. It gets deep gradually, so when you get under, you can see all of this. I hope the camera can show how beautiful it is with this crystal clear water. Here we go. So we're used to the muddy lakes in Georgia. We can tread in like 100 feet of water, but you only see down to your waist and nothing else. For some reason, it's kind of scary going deep into water in this lake because you can see all the way down. But Nico and I are gonna try it. We're gonna try to go deep and swim down to show you guys how clear the water is. So we're trying to get to Abbey Point, Abbey Point. We found this dirt road that the GPS is taking us on. It's got a whole bunch of washboards. But I find that it's better if you go faster.
Yeah.
It actually is, it smooths out. But everybody behind us, they don't have such a view. They don't have such a great view as we do. So we got to the end of the dirt road, and there's a picnic table and a bathroom, which is pretty much a hole in the ground with a toilet seat on it. And we are in front of the lake though, right here. It's got a pretty cool lake view. I don't know if it's
RV made it there.
Yeah, for some reason there's an RV that made it down trip. That's pretty cool. I don't know if a drive is worth the lake view, but driving 30-40 miles per hour on this dirt road was pretty fun. For me, that was worth it. I think everybody else liked it too. But just to come for the view, stay at the beach, it's fine.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any.
Yeah.
Excuses were too for any.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's close up of the rock. Let me see the rock. All right. 3? For a big rock?
Medio, 3,5.
All that ever was is a rise. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good.
Cool little private beach we found. I think what makes it more special is probably the adventure getting here.
Driving here, yeah.
Yeah, than the actual beach. But you know what? That's part of RV life, is just getting into little adventures and finding last minute things. And we found a special little beach and left a special little gift if you guys are ever... Oh!
I knew you were going to do that.
What is this called? At Point Abbaye?
Abby.
So if you guys are ever at Point Abbaye in the UP of Michigan, look for the RCRV rocks. You might find it here.
Guys, it's kind of creepy. Go to the point.
Let's go there.
Okay.
Maybe they want to do
So
something.
this read the description.
Vamos.
There's some RVers, I guess, that live here, and they told us that this actually isn't the point. There is a little tiny dirt road that goes off back in this direction behind me. Yeah, back there. And that goes to the absolute tippy point of this little peninsula. We can't come all this way and not go see it, so we're loading up to go down the creepy dirt road, go see the point. Can't see what's down
You're
there.
gonna hit your car.
Oh no, I can make
No hay que dar la vuelta.
So I bought the truck, babe. Come this way. Put in 4. Oh, okay, then come on. Then give it some beef.